Hey everyone, welcome to Pinokio. What exactly is Pinokio? Pinokio is essentially a tool that you might have tried to use before, like Kunio or Confibii, Zonos, text-to-speech, and other AI tools we're seeing all around us these days. If we've tried to get these locally on our computer, we've likely encountered the huge challenge of setting them up. You have to go through this whole process of getting CUDA, then you need these plugins, then these Visual Studio packages from Visual Studio 2019 or whatever. This really makes it tough to access these resources like open source AI that runs locally. So what Pinokio does is make it easy to get most of these open source AI available to everyone that the public can use for free, allowing us to have it on our computer with just a click. Instead of spending 50 minutes searching for files and setting up, Pinokio simplifies this process so we don't have to. It's true that sometimes we might need to get a specific model within a tool like configure.ai, which can work with different models, as Pinokio won't provide all models directly. Because if it had to give us all the models, you might run out of space even with 4 terabytes. So Pinokio only handles getting the program itself, or rather the AI itself, and then all the setup and configuration. If you want a specific model loader or other things, you'd handle that yourself. That's Pinokio. How to get Pinokio on your computer? Well, you just go to pinokio.computer, the official website, okay? Then we simply click on this blue button. As you can see, I have it here, but it doesn't matter. We'll do it anyway. I recommend disabling your shields, alright? Because as you just saw, the moment I disabled the shields, there it is. Here, we're given a brief introduction. So in this green section here, okay, if we scroll down, we see options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. We'll choose Windows. We'll click on it, sorry. As you can see, it takes us to the Windows tutorial below, okay? So we just click this button, confirm yes to save. We'll end up with a zip file here, okay? Basically, what we do is extract it, then we get an executable, no problems at all. And that's where the Pinokio setup will start running. I'm not sure if it'll update, as I've had it for quite a while. And there's Pinokio, see? It happened that quickly. I've got Pinokio here. Looks like it's the same, right? Let me open this one again. Same error, unfortunately. Oh, it changed Pinokio's model. I'll call it Pinokio, okay? Let's click Open File Location. Now we have the clickable icon. We can move it to the desktop. This way we can access Pinokio easily. Now when I open Pinokio, it should work without errors. Let's see if it worked. There we have it, see? It worked this time. So if we click Visit, first time might take a bit longer. But as you see, once it's set up, it's simple. Hope you found this helpful. Alright, very well. How does Pinokio work? Well, basically we'll start here. We need to click on Visit Discover page. Why don't I see anything here? It's because I don't have any Pinokio apps yet. I sometimes get one, but remove it to save space. So we click Visit Discover page to see Pinokio's tool. One of the most interesting could be configure.ai. To get it, we also have the community scripts section. Careful, this may seem simple, but it's quite interesting. There aren't as many files as with the tools though. We'd select this, left click configure.ai, then click here, okay? And now we have it. I'll give it a test. There it is, I'll show you. As you can see, the console is starting to run. It will manually retrieve the various files. If I go to home now, there it is. Configure.ai, as you can see. Now it's going to start fetching all the files and such. Important note, in the files section, we can access the entire folder. Crucial point, hitting delete here will erase everything. And it'll wipe out everything in the folder, even if we've added a model. We can also share apps locally or via a public node. There are settings, but Pinokio's beauty is its simplicity. Just hit run. We can stop the terminal here, hit stop, it disconnects, and there you go. We can obtain different models. As we see, it offers many intuitive options. If we tire of the tool, we click the red button and hit OK. It won't let me now as it's stopping, but that's it. Hit OK and done. That's how Pinokio works. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in future, guys.